Hello my cutie pies, how are you? Fine? Good, very good. Children, now which season is going on? Yes? Rainy season, right, good. So let's sing a rhyme. Yes. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little kids want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Let's sing one more time. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little kids want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Good, very good. Children, today we are going to learn letter I. Yes. Children, what comes after H? Letter H. Yes, think. You want to repeat alphabets? Come on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. Yes, good, very good. So today we are going to learn about letter I. Good. Children, this is capital letter I and this is small letter I. Can you repeat? Yes, capital letter I, small letter I. Children, the sound of letter I is E. Please repeat, ma'am cannot hear you. The sound of letter I is E. E. Very good. Children, now ma'am will show you some pictures. Okay? Yes. What is this, children? Yes. Insects. Yes, E. The sound of I is, letter I is E. Insects. Can you repeat? Insects. Good. What is this, children? Yes. Iguana. E. Iguana. Yes. Yes. You have seen this in cartoons, right? Yes. Igloo. Igloo. Good. What is this, children? Ink. Ink bottle, right? You can see ink here, right? Blue ink. Yes. Ink. Yes. So can we repeat once again? Yes. Insects. Insects. Iguana. Iguana. Yes. Now this is igloo. Igloo. Good. Yes, children. Now this is ink. Ink. Very good. Children, now let's learn how to write capital letter I and small letter I. Let's start. Yes. You can see here, right? 4 lines. Pink line, 2 blue line and 1 more pink line. So for capital letter I, you have to start from pink line. Yes. You have to write a standing line from pink line to blue line and then a sleeping line over this pink line and 1 more sleeping line over this blue line. Capital letter I. Yes. Standing line, then sleeping line over this pink line and 1 more sleeping line over this blue line. Capital letter I. Now let's learn small letter I. Yes. Children, can you see these two blue lines? Yes. So in between these blue lines, you have to write a standing line like this and then a dot like this. See, small letter I. Standing line in between this blue line, two blue lines and a dot like this. Small letter I. Capital letter I. Small letter I. Understood, children? Good. Children, now let's learn how to write on a notebook. Okay? Yes. Can you see this line, children? Pink line, two blue line and one more pink line. Yes. You have to start from pink line to blue line, standing line, then a sleeping line over this pink line and one more sleeping line over this blue line. I. Capital letter I. Standing line, sleeping line over this pink line and one more sleeping line over this blue line. Capital letter I. Now let's learn small letter I. So you have to write in between this blue line, standing line and a dot like this. Small letter I. Standing line in between these two blue lines and a dot like this. Capital letter I. Small letter I. Understood, children? Yes. Children, now it's activity time. Yes. What is this, children? Yes. It's look like an insect, right? Yes. And also you can see a small letter I here. Yes. Good. So you can tell your parents to draw like this. And what you have to do? Yes. You have to trace here. Do you remember we have already learned strokes, slanting line? Yes. See, you have to trace like this. See, slanting line. You can ask your parents to help you. See, you have to trace like this. Yes, children? Now see. Yes, it's look like insect, right? We have learned insects, right? Insects, right, children? Yes, good, very good. I hope you have understood this. Okay, children? Children, now we are going to learn sight words. Yes. Sight word A. This is A, right? So how we are going to pronounce it? A. What is this, children? A. I can see a balloon. Yes. A. I can see a cake. So which sight word, children? A. Can you repeat? A. So how we are going to pronounce it? I have already told you now, right, children? Yes. So when we use sentence, so we have to pronounce A as A. Good. Very good. Children, our next sight word is on. O-N. On. Yes. So how we are going to use this word? Yes. The boy is sitting on a horse. On. He has a hat on his head. On. Yes. So which sight words we have learned today? Yes, a and on. Yes. So you know, right, children, why we learned these sight words? Yes, these are commonly used words. Yes. So you can read the sentence, you can read your storybooks, your favorite storybooks, right? So you have to learn the sight words also. Okay, children? Yes, very good. Children, today we have learned two sight words, a and on. Yes. And also we have learned how to write letter I. Please practice this on your notebook. Okay, children? So can we say bye bye now? Yes? Bye.